Screamer's here. He's decided, knows it's come wet, he'll have a go at it when it's been dry for months. What's that in? That's sharp edge. You have to just lift your front wheel, like drive off it nice and slow, lift your front wheel. Keep 1 foot on and 1 foot off. That's it. Yeah, you have to be nice and steady so it goes.
I was just going there and the bastard stalled. Nearly in the fucking driver's seat.
Right, get back on now and get it in first gear and make sure it's free.
Slick. I fucking knew it. All dry gears with that. All fucking dry gears with that, and I do it fucking shit.
Come on.
Moron.